Bruh. Hi. So we're in flight. I've already had a cheeky nap because do you not know that I don't sleep? I thought I'd show you guys quickly what I bought from the duty free. I thought the prices are not cheaper. Well, I thought they're the same price as if you were to buy them in store, so yeah. But I had a list of products that I need to top up on, so yeah. Alrighty, first up, spoilt. YSL. I've already messed up the packaging, but let's unbox it together. Benefit 24-hour brow setter and Kylie Jenner's eye pencil in dark brown. I used to my eyes, but I also use this on my lips. But recently I've been using the Huda Beauty felt tip. That slays. That's actually a banger. And then I just got some quick accessories from Accessorize. So some bobby pins, hairbands. I have gloss. Oh, see now. I don't know why is that. No, what is that? No, I just picked it up. Like the shade on our skin is kind of giving, like, I like the nice flecks of like pink and purple. Yeah. Finally, got a blue mascara. Oh, she is vibrant.
I'm invested now.
We got food. Oh my god, there's even a little salt and pepper, guys. No, this better not be one use. I hope they recycle these. Oh my gosh. Anyway, child. 2 of each. You can tell I've not been here before. She juicy. She juicy. There's buttons for my chair. Okay, let's not go to sleep. Wow. I have free will, guys. Muy bien, muy bien. Got our second meal.
Final. Hi, friend.
My guy just hooked me the F up. Why do I have every single option of dessert on my board right now? Like, I'm really just here for my best life. Over here. Over here.
"12 seconds later."
Hey guys, so I have arrived and I can't lie, I am actually very overstimulated. Like, I just think that I am not in town anymore. I am in a different country. And I think I'm gonna stay in tonight. People are saying that they want to go out, or a couple of people have said that they might head out. But it's like 7:30 now. And yeah, the time difference. And I just need to like look after myself. You know, that's one thing about, like, I guess coming on trips like this, I obviously feel so blessed. Like, shout out to you guys for just being the most supportive community, because I wouldn't be able to do any of this without you. I'm looking at the camera, I'm looking at you. Yes, you. Yeah, I'm a shy babe. I'm not shy, but like I do get overstimulated quite easily as a neurodivergent babe. So it's about finding balance of like taking in all of this beautifulness whilst also like taking care of myself. Learning how to recognize what your gut is telling you to do and being able to honor that is so important to sustain yourself and to make sure that you continue to thrive. So yeah, I'm gonna stay in today and I'm gonna honor that feeling. We'll have more time to explore, but tonight is for me. Today is for me. Now, one thing about the US of A is that the food here is serious. If you don't put on a couple kg before you leave, have you even visited?
That's the bit of me.
And so by the end of this meal, we were actively fighting both the itis and jet lag. So we got our steps up and got acquaintance to the new part of town.
She's obsessed.
Now, the reason why we're in New York is because Cerave turned 20 years old and they flew out a bunch of content creators and influencers from across the globe to celebrate. There were a lot of activations on this day, including writing a personalized message and a massive birthday card. And we had a lot of fun.
Come on. His jacket says goat. He's goated.
Good morning. I am looking like a sweaty mess already, but we are here at Leon's Bagels and we're going to Vegas this morning. I am not going to be able to capture this on camera without making a mess, but she's cute. We are on the High Line and yeah, my hair's obviously shrunken a lot and gotten a lot fluffier since I did it. It's been real exposure therapy, I can't lie. I'm not used to this, but we're embracing it, and hopefully by seeing myself more like this, I will realize that it's acceptable and it's okay. Don't watch if my hair is a bit elongated and stretched tonight though, because this is not my use, but just want to share that this is my experience, and if it's yours as well, that it's okay. But we're still in New York, in the heart of New York, enjoying the sunshine, having a great time. Oh my gosh, look at this building. Innocent. Yeah. Everyone's still cute. How can you be mad at scenes like this? Stunning. So beautiful. It makes this concrete jungle feel very green.
Enjoy, okay?
Thank you. We have access to unlimited food and drinks. Is this live? Huh?
And batting 9.
Thank you. Thank you. Good morning. So it is the final day in New York. We are flying back home later this evening, but we have the full day ahead of us, and I just thought I would check in with you guys. I started this video and I didn't really know exactly what I wanted to make the video. You know, we like to have a theme, but I was kind of just going with the vibes. This is an exposure therapy video with me in my twists, in my short twists. We have been on a roller coaster this week. I have felt butt ugly. I have felt super cute. I've considered wanting to lock my hair, all in the space of 4 days. But one thing that I do know, and then I do want to share with you guys, is the fact that the more you see yourself presenting in a certain way, the more you're going to get used to it, because that has been my experience this week. One thing about twists, if you think your twists are not looking juicy, all you need to do is hop in the shower, let the steam get to it for about 10-15 minutes, and you're good to go. Because this is what it's giving this morning, and I am so here for it. So get me wrong, there's still like loads of layers, and I would love to get to a point where like all of the twists are at the same length, but this is a look as well. And confidence is literally a garment of clothing. Like, if I'm deciding today I'm gonna be a bad bitch, I'm gonna be a bad bitch, and that's on my read. Just exude the energy that you want to give off. In a way, fake it till you make it, but eventually you will make it. Yeah, that's my encouragement message for the morning. And then let me quickly show you my outfit of the day, to be fair. Full fit is Aritzia. I'm obsessed with the Aritzia material. Like, it just feels so good quality. And then the necklace I thrifted from Penkabi. Jewelry, Greece. This was gifted by Astrid and me, I want to say. This one I also bought for myself in the Philippines, because
we could look after ourselves, honey boo, but no, we're not meant to buy us no jewelry. Although that would also be nice. So if any men or women do want to buy me some jewelry, you know, just DM me. I do want to put you guys on this product though that I've been using this entire trip that I've high-key been obsessed with. Cerave have got this new balancing air foam cleanser. When I say this feels like a medicated face wash in a foaming formula, this stuff is dope. It's really, really good. Super clarifying and without stripping your skin. Doesn't have a scent to it. And I have just accepted that I'm actually a combination skin babe. Like, my skin is generally very dry, but I do get a very oily T-zone. Cerave did a thing. At the event that we were at, I saw that they have this clay to foam cleanser. You guys know I love my clay washes for my hair. I do a clay mask pretty much once a week for my skin, so I'm super intrigued to see what that is about. Also, they have a anti-dandruff shampoo. I'm just obsessed. Like, Cerave genuinely know what they're doing. My favorite product from the entire line is actually the moisturizing SPF lotion. This stuff bangs. Like, are you seeing the glow on my face? I was glowy before, but now I'm just an ethereal fairy. Like, stun. That's my skincare routine done for the day. When I'm 40 looking 20, just know it's because of SPF. SPF and retinol, period. That is the combo. That is the combo of the season. That is combo of the year. That is combo of a lifetime. Getting it. We got all matcha. Let's give it a try. Cheers.
Really good. Mine's good. Google
Try
reviews.
some of this. I don't know if it's any different.
It's sweeter. It's really good. Maybe I should have gotten that.
This might be the best matcha I've had ever. We just did a quick shop in TJ Maxx.
Oh yeah.
Cheers. And now we're gonna head to Sephora. Oh. I actually never tried this brand before, but I kind of want to. Oh wow. This is giving like editorial look.
That's very pretty. Very pretty. Yeah. That's perfect. Perfect outfit. Oh, this is so cute. I hope it looks like this to me. It's so cute. That's your color, girl. Like, that's your color. Ah. They're very cute as well. Yeah, that's like loungewear, like to the max. Let's put on my butt. Looks really good. I mean, that's a basic t-shirt as well.
So I'm mixing everything.
Yeah.
Damage is done.
Now, I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. Whilst I was filming this vlog, I was in the peak of my breakup from my long-term relationship. This was a discombobulated vlog, so I just want to thank you if you even made it this far. And so although this vlog is a little rougher on the edges, the edit is more for me to remember the amazing time that I had in New York with Cerave. So thank you so much for taking me to New York. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey in New York. Don't forget to show me love on the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.